I'm in a Jaguar F-Type SVR. Next to me is a Mercedes-AMG E63S. So I've got a 5-litre supercharged V8 with 575 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. That has a twin-turbo V8 4-litre. It's got 612 horsepower though and 850 newton meters of torque. It's also got a 9-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. This has an 8-speed gearbox, automatic again, but without launch control. However, we both do have all-wheel drive. We're going to have a drag race, a standing quarter-mile drag race. Which is going to win? Why don't you see if you can guess? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to cast your vote. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram. Okay, let's do this. Off the line first. Come on, Britain! No, Germany's coming back. The big heavy German. Come on, Britain! Come on, this is gonna be so close. Come on, come on, come on. I need a longer nose. Oh, photo finish. That was so very close. Got a great start. You know, sometimes launch control isn't all that. There can be a delay until it engages, and I had him off the line just holding this on the brake. But then he was edging back, and oh no, I think his car's a bit longer, so it won because of that, really. And I'm not saying that just because I'm British and I'm supporting the home team. Damn, I think he might have won.
And yes, he did win, although it could hardly have been any closer. The Mercedes crossed the finish line first, doing the standing quarter mile in 11.2 seconds. The Jaguar was just behind it and did the quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. That means it's 1-0 to Germany, but could Britain come back in the second half?
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We're going to be in the car's comfiest setting, nice and relaxed, automatic. I'm going to count it in. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that kicked down so much quicker. Oh, damn it. The 9-speed auto in that just kicked down. Yeah, it's over. I wasn't going to pull it back on that. This gearbox was a bit slow in comfort mode to kick down. Now, you might be wondering why the heck I'm doing it in comfort mode. It's because that's how most people just drive up and down the motorway. So if someone challenges you, you just floor the throttle and the car has to respond. This didn't respond that quick. Once it was going pretty well, but it had no chance of reeling that Merc in. It's got more torque, 850 newton meters. This has 700 newton meters. It is lighter at 1700 kilos. That's over 2 tons, but really, gearbox in that is just better. Fact.
Another fact is that it's now 2-0 to Germany, with just one test to go. Can Britain regain some pride?
Now we're gonna do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. Better put that down. Here's the cone. Oh! No way! That big old beast just stopped shorter than this. Quite a clear win, again, for the Mercedes. Poor Great Britain. This is all down to Brexit. I blame Brexit. See, even the car does too. It woke up and growled. So, that's the end of that. Bye.
And that's also goodbye to any hope of a British victory. In fact, it was a clear 3-0 win for Mercedes and Germany. Oh well.